Everybody's gonna be doing like date night looks and wear this for your man or your significant other. And I'm just like, what if we ain't got that? What if we ain't got it?
Word, Lord, have mercy. Word. Nice.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time. If this is your first time, baby, get comfortable, take your shoes off, stay a little while. You are in my living room and it is late night, and I figured, like, why not just do like a little cozy vibe to talk about, you know, this here haul. As you can see by the title of this video, this is a Shein Valentine's Day haul, so this is really exciting. Shout out to Shein for sponsoring this video. So in this video, I have like a whole bunch of different looks or whatever, but not what you would stereotypically think for Valentine's Day. I didn't go like super duper sexy. I wanted to do like Valentine's Day options when you want to be more chill or relaxed, or I don't know, like not necessarily do the things. Like my thing is, I think we always assume that like everybody has like a date for Valentine's Day or does like something, you know, crazy or romantic. And then, you know, there's some of us like myself who I think I've only had a Valentine 1 year out of my whole life. So I'm like, why not cater to the me's of the world who, you know, don't necessarily do all the big plans for Valentine's Day, or, you know, for the people who it might not even be that big of a deal, but you just want to celebrate love. Okay, that's where I am with the things. Because Angela Bassett did things. Oh, let me go ahead and discuss, baby, the hair. Okay, so, oh, where Craig at? That's how I be feeling with my blonde braids. Because my sister-in-law, baby, because of Tracy, saw you all hugged up. No, wait. My sister-in-law, baby, because of Tracy, saw you at the movies hugged up with some tramp. So tell me who she was. So, yeah. As you all know, I keep looking at myself in the viewfinder. Y'all know I don't be doing that for real, but it's just like, I love it. I love it. But as y'all know, me being blonde is my favorite thing. And without having to color my natural hair, because, you know, I want to keep the health of my hair and all of the above, I decided to go with some blonde braids. And I'm super excited about it. I love it. I love them so much. Shout out to Chrissy. The hair that I use is from Hair Plus in Cincinnati, Ohio. Black owned beauty store. Just putting that out there. Okay, so if you're interested in any of the items in this haul, they will be listed below. And the code is LOVES7223. So that's LOVES 7223. I'm putting it on the screen right here. It'll be in the description box as well. So please use that code, save some money on your order. This is until January 28th. So I know last time, like, I had a few people telling me like your code don't work. So the codes are like timed, or like, I guess. So anyway, make sure you use that code before January 28th, and you want to get your order in as soon as possible, because, you know what I'm saying, you want to be looking good on Valentine's Day. So if you are interested in checking out any of these items, we are about to get into them, and then we're gonna talk at the end. Okay, first up, this is the Shein Unity Plus Heart print tee and sweatpants, and I got this in a 3XL, and it's super simple, super to the point. I will say that, like, the shirt, because I had to get the shirt bigger for the pants to fit, the shirt is not like off the shoulder, but I wore it off the shoulder because it was a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna show you, it fits like a regular crew neck t-shirt, and it just has a simple white heart on it, but it also comes in a lot of colors. So it comes in black, blue, gray, pink, yellow, and green, I believe. Yeah. So, and navy. So I got it in black and white. A lot of the things in this haul are black and white. I guess I was in a black and white mood for Valentine's Day this year. I don't know what that's about, but, you know, we're here. But so I just thought this was really cute. Like, say you were just gonna chill, you know what I'm saying, go to a coffee shop, get some work done, go hang out with some friends and like watch a movie or something like that, or have a Valentine's Day event or something like that. You could wear this. You don't have to do the most all the time, and I absolutely love this. I'm more of like a chill kind of person when I dress like in the wild, not on YouTube or Instagram, but I like to chill or whatever. So this is something that I would definitely wear. The pants were so freaking comfortable. Oh my gosh. Like, I cannot wait to wear these on the regular. They had pockets, they had a drawstring waist, tall girl friendly. Like, the stretch was amazing. Like, super duper duper comfortable pair of pants. I will wear these like all the time. Okay. So, I don't know. I was just feeling this. You could always, like, if you wanted to make it a little like cuter or whatever, you could tie the shirt at the waist. You could throw a heel on with this, put a blazer over your shoulders, and then you could dress it up and you can go out and do the things. All right. So next up, a few of these things I actually wore together. So I'll explain them together. This is not one of those things, but so this is called the Shein Qutie plus size women's heart pattern drop shoulder long sleeve cardigan, and I got it in black and white, and I got this in a 1X, so it's kind of like a, with the drop shoulder it makes it look like a little oversized, but this comes in white and gray, green and white, white and like a, or gray on gray, brown and tan, black and pink, and then pink and like hot pink. And I just thought this was cute. You, there are functional buttons on it, so if you do want to wear it open, you could wear it open. But again, if you're just doing something simple, like say you have to work on Valentine's Day and you want to still celebrate, you could just, you know, pop on this kind of sweater or something like that. Literally, like whatever you do, if you just want it to be like a little bit more chill, laid back or whatever, that's why I opted for these kind of things, because it's like blatantly, you know, Valentine's Day, because it's hearts and things like that. But you could also just wear this on a regular Tuesday afternoon as well. But I love the fit of it. It was very comfortable. It is very warm as well. So I don't know. I just thought this was cute. So comment below and let me know where you would wear this sweater to if you get it. Next up, we have the Shein Loon Plus drop shoulder pearl beaded pullover, and this comes in so many colors I'm not even going to mention them because it's literally like 9 colors that this comes in. But I just love the pearl detail. I just thought it was really, really cute. And this is something you could dress up, you could dress down, so you have that option. You could wear this to work. Sorry, my scalp is itching, so if you keep seeing me scratch, I apologize, but I don't really know what to put on it just yet because I don't want to make it flake up. But yeah, so scalp itching just a little bit. But yeah, so back to the sweater. I love this because it has pearl detail. Like you could do like pearl. I wouldn't do a pearl necklace because you already have pearls on the shirt, but I would do like some like drop pearl earrings, maybe like a pearl ring or something like that, bracelet. But you can wear some, you know, jeans with this, some leggings with this, some slacks with this. This is something else that you could wear to work. I love that the pearls are all throughout the sweater, like literally front, back, arms, everywhere. Pearl, 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 pearl the world. And I just thought it was really, oh wait, no, it's not on the back. I lied to you. But the entire front and the arms and like under your arms and stuff like that. It's really, really cute. A whole bunch of different size pearls as well. So I don't know. I just thought this was cute. I don't know if it necessarily gives Valentine's Day, but it's like if you wanted to just look cutesy wootsy. And like you could also do like, oh, why didn't I do that in a try on? Because I got like a white button down shirt. I think that would look really cute up under this, like a white button down. Yeah, I don't know. I didn't do that. I'm just piecing it together in my mind like that would have been really cute. But speaking of the white button down shirt, it is called the Shein Essence Plus Plicated Detail Drop Shoulder Shirt. And I got it in a 2XL because of how long it flows out. And I knew it was going to have to compensate over my hips. But I like it because it has like a little dip in the waist, which I just thought was really, really cute. It also comes in black and sky blue as well. And again, if you just want it to be simple, not do the most, you could just throw this on. You could dress this up. You could dress this down. I think in the try on, I'm going to show you different variations of how you can wear this. One is like way more dressed down, and then one is like a little bit dressier, not dressy, but dressier. But I just thought it was cute and simple, to the point, not overstated or anything like that. Okay, so next up, this is one of the combos that I was telling you about, and I don't know if I would necessarily, I don't know, but this this is the Shein Privé Plus Lace Bustier cami top, and I got that in an XL, which is equivalent to a US 14. And then the skirt is the Shein Privé Plus lettuce trim satin skirt, and it also comes in hot pink, and I got that in a 3XL, 2XL. 3XL. So the skirt has the satin material has a stretch to it, which I was here for. Like, I love a good stretch moment, and especially what I liked about it is that the waist didn't have stretch, but the skirt did. It does have a zipper on the right side, so you can get into it, you know, without any issues or problems or anything. And the stretch was really, really great. I had on some weird shapewear with this because I never wear like the bodysuit shapewear, and I feel like it made my stomach poke out more than what it does. I mean, don't get me wrong, it pokes out, but it was doing a lot. But I'm also like, you know what? Somebody else's stomach pokes out like that, so they might want to know what it looks like in this skirt. So here you are. You know, where I'm here for y'all. I do this for y'all. But I just thought it was cute to pair it with the lace, do something different. Would I wear this? Possibly. I don't know, possibly. I thought it was cute. Yeah, the top, there it has adjustable straps to it. It's very simple to the point. Like, it's not it's just like a lace top. Basically, it's not like a bodysuit or anything, and that's what I liked about it, because I feel like most of the time when you get those lace, I think all the lace tops that I've had in the past were like bodysuits, and I didn't like that. I don't play like that. I don't like that. I didn't like it at all. But I did like this one, and it was comfortable to wear as well. And I don't know, I just felt good in it. I don't know. I like this. It's different. So this is like if you are going on a date, or if you're doing like a girls' night out or something like that, you could definitely wear this and, you know, just have a good time. All right, so next we have, this was honestly one of my favorites. We have the Shein Privé Plus Solid Ruched Fringe Tee, and it's just a fringe top. Basically, it has a kind of a little bit of a plunging neckline, which I thought like was very, you know, flattering and cute, but I like the fringe on the sleeves and along the back. I think it's like a really nice touch, and it's different. I would go with something like a little bit more fitted on the bottom if you get this to wear it, because I feel like if you do something looser at the bottom, I don't know if it will balance your body out right, if that makes sense. But I got this in a 1X, which is equivalent to a US 14. Very, very cute. This is the only color that it comes in, but I feel like for this, just to, again, if you say you wanted to take yourself out on a date and you just want to look good and do something and go out by yourself and see if you meet somebody, or, you know, meet up with people or something like that, I feel like this is like a little dressed up. Not, I don't want to say dressed up, but it's like intentional. I guess that's how I can say it. It's like it's casual, but it's like an intentional casual, because like you could just throw on all black, but it's like black with a little flair, you know? No, just me? Okay. So comment below, let me know if you were feeling this one as much as I was, because this was one of my favorites in this haul. Also, the Shein Privé Plus button front belted shirt dress, and I actually used this for a reel that I did, so I think that's what I'll put over here as the try-ons for you, so you can see it. I don't think mine came with a belt, but on the website she has a belt on with her, so I don't know. Mine didn't come with a belt, but I'm not sure. I got this in a 3XL. There's no stretch to it at all, but it is really, really comfortable. It's really, really cute. And what I liked about it is that like it was still a good length. Like I didn't feel like I was showing too much skin or anything like that. Like it was just like a really, really, really good fit. It also comes in a lot of colors as well. So where is it at? Okay. So I couldn't turn around in this because the skirt was way too short, and I don't think I would actually wear this together, but I just wanted to put it together so I could show y'all the things. This is, if this will move out the way, this is the Shein Privé Plus Heart Pattern Fuzzy Skirt. And I got this in a 4XL, which is equivalent to a 20 because it was short. So I was hoping that the 20 would give me a little bit more length. In the front it did, but in the back it did not. So I can't turn it around. But it's really cute. It's really comfortable. I wish it was just like a little bit longer in the back for me. So if you're shaped similar to how I'm shaped, just understand like your booty gonna be out in the wind. Okay? Okay. Now this blazer is called the Shein Privé Plus Lapel Neck Glitter Blazer, and it has shorts to match. So I did not read all the way through. Reading is fundamental. I thought it was a set because I was gonna say, like, if you were going on like a girls night out, Valentine's type of thing, you could wear this set, but I did not read, so I didn't get the shorts. But it doesn't come with shorts, but there are matching shorts on Shein's website. And I got the blazer in a 2X, and it's like it's called Rusty Rose is this color. So it's like kind of a rose gold-ish color, and I don't really have a lot of rose gold things, so I was hoping to get the set. I didn't get the set, but if you do get the set, you could do like some boots or something with it, and like I said, go on a Valentine's Day type of thing, or if you have a date, like this is definitely something that you could wear on a date. Just beware, the glitter does glitter. There's glitter everywhere now, so just keep that in mind if you do plan on wearing this, that it will be a glittery occasion, okay? Now, I don't remember which outfit I put this on with. I think it was a satin skirt. But this bag is called the Shein Belle Glitter Bling Shiny Glamorous Elegant Exquisite Metal Metallic Metal Edged Flap Ruched Square Bag. Whew. Okay. Yeah, so it's a gold clutch. It does have a I cannot think of the word. Wow. A strap. A strap? Yeah, it's like a gold strap. You could wear it as crossbody, but I think I had a little bit too much body for the crossbody, so I just put it over one shoulder, and I like that look better because it was like a little up too high to be a crossbody. But you can also take the strap off of it and wear it as a, well, not wear it, but carry it as a clutch. And I just thought it was cute because I didn't have any like small gold bags, but like if you I figured like I'd get this for like a wedding or more of like a upscale event or something like that, that I needed like a clutch and not like a purse, or you know what I'm saying, like an actual like handbag, but just something to have like your keys, your phone, lip gloss, you know, that kind of thing in it. And I just thought this was really cute. All right, so that is all that I have for my Valentine's Day, not Valentine's Day haul. Because again, not everybody goes on dates, and I have to remember that because I don't know how I could forget because she doesn't. So like I wanted to have something just a little bit different because I know everybody's gonna be doing like date night looks and wear this for your man or your significant other, and I'm just like, what if we ain't got that? What if we ain't got it? But we still want to be cute, and we still want to do the things, and we still want to celebrate love, and we still want to celebrate Valentine's Day. So I had us, you know what I'm saying? I got us together. We have some options. You can look cute even if you are in your living room having a dance party by yourself. Girl, get dressed, romanticize your life, do the things, all right? So yeah, that is all that I have for this haul. Don't forget, all the items are going to be listed below in the description box, as well as the coupon code, and the code is good for things other than just what's in the haul. So if you have other things in your cart already, use that code. You will save some money. I hope you all have, I mean, I'll talk to y'all before Valentine's Day, but I hope you have an amazing Valentine's Day. I hope you get some of these things and that you celebrate love, even if it's self-love. You celebrate that every day, right? So yeah, I will talk to y'all first of all in the comments, and second of all in the next video.
Yeah, leaving me, flipping out on